Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mrs. Eva, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can sterilize this can for your production. So many of you might be thinking, oh, do I just get these cans and just start packaging my products inside like that, assuming it's already clean? No. These cans go through a lot of production process. Do you get? So a lot of production process, and after it's been produced from their factory, it will still go to the market and undergo all the dust in the market. So you wouldn't want to buy this can and just go ahead and package your product inside. You want to sterilize it before using. And when I mean sterilize it, I'm not talking about using soap, which means your liquid soap, to wash it with soap and sponge. No. I wouldn't advise you to do that, because why? I feel that those soap already have some chemicals that might stay in the bottle for a very long time. So I will show you the right method that I personally use in sterilizing my cans before production, guys, before packaging my product inside the can. So let's go, guys, let's do this. Thank you so much. Mwah. Hi guys, welcome back. So these are the containers I'm going to be washing now using the amazing method that I want to show you in this video. So you can see the dirty inside this cover right now. I just want to show you that this thing is not 100% clean. I met a lady that told me that she packages granules. I said, oh wow, amazing. So how do you wash your cans? Then we kept talking and she told me that, do you wash your cans? I thought that the cans are already cleaned. I said, oh, you can see how shining they are. They are indeed clean. And she said, no, I don't wash my bottles. Oh, I package my granules inside like that after frying. I was like, whoo, you don't mean it. So I wasn't really happy with our kind of production. I just told her, please, you have to wash the cans because it's not 100% neat because of the dust it has undergone in the market. So right now I'll just go ahead and add salt to the bowl of water. Salt. You know that salt serves as preservative. Salt can be used to preserve meat, fish. Do you get? Periwinkles, different kind of things. Salt is used as preservative. So you can imagine what it's going to do for your product. I'm not saying if you are packaging series, you're going to add salt to. No, I'm just saying for your cans, it's going to help the shelf life of your product. So you have to wash it, and because salt kills any germs or anything. Do you get? So be rest assured that your cans are very clean without using detergent, liquid soap and all those stuff. Do you get? The reason why I don't use detergent or liquid soap is because of the fragrance. It's so strong. By the time you use that, it's going to affect your product at the long run. Do you get? So by the time you leave your product in that container for like a few days, few months, you see that all the fragrance from the soap is going to enter into your product, and your product is going to be smelling differently. So you don't want that. You want to ensure that when you tell your customers, oh, this is pepper, it should taste and smell like pepper. Okay, so that is it. So you can see that I added salt in the black bowl. I will go ahead and rinse it again. So I'm using like 3 bowls to rinse this, and they all have salt inside. So I just want to ensure that everything is well clean, well done. So this is my secret, guys. This is my little secret when it comes to washing my bottles, and I decided to share this method with you, my followers, and I believe that you are excited about these secrets, and I'm glad to share it with you guys. So I'll go ahead and leave these cans in this bowl for a while to soak, to absorb all the water. Then I will start rinsing it. You can see how clean. So when you are producing something and you rinse your cans like this, you should be rest assured that you can tell somebody this is a neatly processed product. But without you rinsing it, you can't tell the person is neatly processed when the cans are not even washed or clean. So I'll go ahead and rinse my cover using the same method. The salty water is the method, the secret. So I'll go ahead and rinse it, rinse for several times. So this is the last phase. I'm going to be transferring the cans. After rinsing this time, I'll transfer it into this basket or sieve, whichever one you want to call it. I will transfer it into this sieve. So that is it. As I'm transferring it, I will turn it upside down because I want all the water from the can or container to drain out immediately. I don't want any water in the can. So that's the reason why I use the sieve, so that as I turn it upside down, it will just be coming out. So you want to use a sieve for this method, but if you don't have a sieve, you can just go ahead and use a bowl. So guys, if you want to see or know more about the foodstuff processing and packaging business, don't forget to enroll for my training. I train people on how to start up their own food processing and food packaging business. Don't forget to enroll for my training. You cannot do this business without a coach, and a good coach like me. I've trained several people that are doing well in their business. So guys, if you are interested in my training, please send me a message or join our foodstuff business waiting group. Join the group using the link in the description box, and you'll be live in the waiting group. So I've finished washing these cans and I've turned them upside down. So I'm just going to take it directly under the sun. I just want a place where the sun is hitting so much. So I'll put it here. I washed these cans as about 12. So I'll leave it here until evening, then I'll remove it. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and please get others to subscribe to this channel for more. You can see that the cans are very clean, so I give you quality content or quality information. Thank you so much, guys. I love you all. So I hope this method helps you with your production. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, subscribe for more, guys. Join the family. Thank you so much. It's bye for now. I love you all. Mwah!